To get started with RAIDLOG.com, you must first create a project. So let's do that. If you're not already on the All Projects page, go to the navigation bar, select All Projects underneath the project icon. Here on the Projects page, at the top of the page, click on the green Add icon. Here on the Project Creation page, you can add your project details, although the only required field is the project name. The description lets you add a detailed description of your project. You can set the project lifecycle state, which by default is draft. Note that as you complete the form, the project setup checklist in the middle panel automatically completes itself, guiding you through the process. Next, you can add tags to help identify your project attributes for easy filtering and reporting. Tags can represent any aspect of your project, including the portfolio, departments impacted, a customer name, or the type of deliverables for the project. You can also add the project due date and the budget, which will be important in future releases of RAIDLOG.com as we release advanced analytics. Finally, click the Save Project button at the top of the page and your project is created. You're now ready to start creating some RAID items. To view or edit your project details, simply select the project from the All Projects view, or select your project overview from the navigation bar.